Hi, everyone. Okay, part 3 and the final binge watch part for this trilogy. What else would you want to do on a night in? So I'm going to go through on the Dow. This is the Dow 30, the 30 stocks which make up the Dow Jones Industrial Average. I'm going to go through from Merck to Microsoft and Apple and my views on them and what I'm planning to do. This is Merck. Value growth rating is 7. Good valuations based on my algorithms. Good growth as well. And you can see why it's been quite defensive. It's hardly come off at all. It's at what, $75 roughly. And it's been as high as 91. So it's going to give me a 33% return if it goes back up. I think it would go back up. I think it's been quite defensive. When I get off this video, I am going to get my money into Merck, amongst other things. Okay, Verizon, Telco. What do we think of this one? I'm not so sure, not excited. It can go sideways for a hell of a long time. And, you know, it's been at $50, been as high as 60. Do I really care? No, I don't think it excites me. McDonald's, what are people going to be doing? A lot of discretionary spend there. Look at that. I mean, this company just roars ahead, albeit there are periods when it goes sideways for a long time. But recently, certainly in the last few years, it seems to have got its act in order. It's now dropped off. It's like a time machine. It's as if you are in 2018. Well, $171 then. It's at roughly the same price now, $170. It could go to $217. What does that give you? It doesn't actually give you much of a rise up, actually. Nothing exciting to write home about, so I'm going to leave that. Visa's the same problem as Amex. Going to get whacked, presumably. Look at the range on that one. Right, so where are we with Visa? We are at $160. It's been as high as $210. It's defensive. It's not come off a lot. Spending is going to get hit, but who else are you going to use? So, okay, let's leave Visa for now. Walmart, again, lots of discretionary spend. It's not really come off a lot, 102 from 120. It's hardly, again, something to write home about, a 20% return. What about CocaCola? Is it discretionary or is we're going out a lot less? It's at $47 over there, right up to 60. That's going to give me a 30% return. I'm not so sure about Coca-Cola. United Health Group, really? Sideways for quite a while. Sideways even for the last few years. So it's come off a bit, but why would I get excited about that one? I wouldn't, even though it's got a 7 rating on my value growth. Now, the rest, Johnson & Johnson, surely they're going to be making products to keep us all hygienically safe. Yet, for several years now, it's been going nowhere. Yes, I appreciate it could go from $125 back to $152. Is that really something to write home about in light of the others? Home Depot, forget about it. What is doing DIY? Yeah, maybe we're really going to be spending money now, given that everything's changed. Microsoft and Apple now, this is interesting. So Microsoft, I looked at, it's hardly come off at all. It's a great defensive stock. Look, 140, it's going to go back up to 190. Yes, it doesn't give me a massive upside, but it does do one thing. It does provide a safe haven for my cash. So Microsoft, I'm going to leave for now, but if you're looking for a safe haven for your cash, and I know they'll continue winning contracts and so on and so forth, I wouldn't have a problem advising in favor of it. Apple, I already own a shed load, and I would happily buy more. The only thing is I've already got tons of it. Again, safe haven for my cash. It's going to continue going upwards. Those are the best two, but I've already got exposure enough to those. That's the whole Dow. This is part 3 of the trilogy of the Dow analysis. Hope you found some of that useful. I've got to go in this third part to go and buy, what did I say? Did I say Walmart? I think I said Walmart. No, I didn't say Walmart. I've got to work out what the hell it said. I was thinking of buying at the end of this. Merck. I'm going to go off and go buy some Merck. Okay, thank you all very much. Hope you enjoy.